Good morning everyone, I'm Mrs. Matthew Malmis and now I'll show you my poster slogan for our ICT final exam. So this is my poster slogans. Advanced technology leads to progressive world trade. It means that through advanced technology, it helps to improve or to rise up the world trade process. It will reflect that the economy will also rise up, and also the society will also improve their status. So how it mean? So it means that through advanced technology, it has an efficient in shaping process, have a very effective communication, making the communication easier, and able to also able or can do the shaping efficiency more efficiency. And also the most important is this, it will getting safer to shape and trades goods and services throughout the world. So this means that it shows that there's a earth means the world. This one is the signal means a communication getting easier, and because of advanced technology the shipping process is getting faster, quicker. That's why there's an airplane. Also there's inside is the ship means 90% of the world trade is rely on shipping in a visual shipping method. And also this is the e coins or electronic coin means is the trading through bitcoins. And also this is the cash means through progressive world trade it means getting more assets. So that's all for today. Thank you, sir.